Hey there, Nolan with MarineMax Rogers. We just got a trade Nautique in stock. It's a G23, it's a 2021. It has 720 hours on it. So still in factory warranty, super clean boat with a trailer. Just gonna show you around. Got the Nautique surf system back here, surf pipe, thruster, part of the integrated steering assist from Nautique, as well as the surf system on this side. We'll hop inside and check out some of the features on the inside of this boat. As we come on board here, you see the two rear seats in the back transom space. And you have a nice walk-through, C-deck walk-through. So you're not stepping on any cushions. C-deck carries all the way through this boat. You got rear-facing flip-up seating here. You also have rear-facing flip-up seating in here as well. This bench will slide back, backrest will flip up, so you really can get the whole boat here facing the action when you're out surfing or wakeboarding or whatever sport you're doing. Got the Link Panerai touchscreen display here. You also have the controls for it here as well. This boat has a heater, heated seats, heated passenger love seat, and a heated driver's seat. Bow space, filler cushion. It's got C-deck on the back, so you can create an extra step. Good, nice seating. You've got armrests as well, and you've got the sliding door here to close off this cockpit space on a cool day. If you're out, you can just keep the space warmer and more comfortable for your passengers. You have the mirror there, tower speakers, Bimini, as well as the strapless board racks from Nautique. Come out to MarineMax Rogers, check out this great used boat.